Morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're listening to this latest session. This is the December 2020 practice update for residential property, and I should be covering a range of topics, including the stage payments and breach of contract. And there's an issue here, whereas this case was to some extent dependent on its facts. There are some implications from the case which impact on contracts and breach of contracts and the impact of COVID. So it's a very important decision in that respect. And then moving on to looking at a case which has appeared before in these sessions, but it's come back because it's now been referred and decided upon by the Court of Appeal, and it has a significant impact on solicitors' liability in negligence, even when the clients are engaged in mortgage fraud. And then a run through some of the latest changes to the land registry practice, and just a few comments on a few things going on with the land registry. And then a run through of the changes which have now come into effect in relation to permitted development, what is and is not now permitted development for residential properties. It goes obviously beyond residential, but I shall just comment on the residential issues. And then a recent decision which I'm afraid has rather opened a floodgate of potential claims against solicitors possibly, but also has given the landlords of freehold houses a now very obvious and very easy way to defeat claims to purchase the freehold using the enfranchisement rules. And there's a case which is ruled specifically on that, which I'll cover at the end of the session.